Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint presentations. Let's go to our computer. We're going to open up Microsoft PowerPoint by clicking on the Start button. Let's go to All Programs, Microsoft Office, and let's just open PowerPoint. Now basically in PowerPoint you have the option to create slides, and then those slides can display on the screen as a slide show. Now it opens with the default slide, and I'm just going to give it a title here, and I'm going to call it My Slideshow. To create a new slide, click on New Slide here under Slides. As you can see, our new slide has just appeared. I'm going to call this one Topic Number 1 that I'm going to talk about in my presentation. And under here I'm going to put information on my topic, more information on my topic, and finishing information. I'm also going to create another slide. I'm going to call this one Topic Number 2. And for this one we're going to put a picture in. So I'm going to click on Insert and then Picture. I'm just going to pick this picture here of the garden in the Honolulu airport. Now I have 3 slides here. To view my slideshow, I'm just going to go to Slideshow and click From Beginning. Say My Slideshow. There's my topic number 1, and I just press the space bar or the right arrow key. If I press the left arrow key, it takes me back to the slide. If I press the right arrow key, it goes to the next slide. So there's topic number 1, and there's topic number 2. It's that easy to create presentations using Microsoft PowerPoint. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint presentations.